Good morning, children. So today's class, first we are going to see about maths. So how will you write the numbers from 1 to 10 in this column? Tens and ones. T for tens, O for ones. So how will you write 1 to 10 in this column? So 1. So you should write below the O. O for ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how will you write 10? 10, you are having 2 digits. So you should write 1 below the tens T. 1 here below the tens and 0 below the ones. 1, 0, 10. So you start, so you know to write. Now how will you write 11 to 20 in this column? Tens ones, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. You should say and write like this. 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20. So you should say and write 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Now take this book, Max 2. Page number 35. Take page number 35. So now you start writing. So you need not write this page. So page number 33 and 34, now you need not write. So take page number 35. So start writing 1, 1, 11. See here how I wrote. So there is a column tens and ones. So you can see the column tens and ones. So write 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12 like this. So you should complete these 2 pages. So this is the classwork. This is the classwork, page number 35. And at home, you should write the homework. 1111 to 2020. Page number 36 as homework. After writing that, now you turn the next page. See, turn the next page. What do you see in that next page? Fill in the missing numbers in the boxes. So A, page number 37. Take page number 37, A sum. So first it is written 1, 1. Next 1, 2. Next there is a yellow color shade. So can you see yellow color box here? So can you see yellow color box here? So after 1 to 12, what number will come here? So here is a box. Can you see a box? Yellow color box. So after 1 to 12, which number will come here? 1, 3, 13. So you start writing here in that yellow color box. 1, 3, 13. Next, again, you can see an yellow color box. See here, again, yellow color box. So there only you should fill the missing numbers. Numbers are not given there. So in the yellow color box, numbers are not given. So you have to fill the missing numbers. So after 1 to 12, you should write 1, 3, 13, then 1, 4, 14. So write like this. Next B. So there is a first even there is an yellow color box. And after that 1, 6, 16. Next yellow color box. You should fill that number. Then 1, 8, 18. So what number will come before 16? before 16. So you have learned backward counting. You have learned the backward counting from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that, 19, 20, 19. So backward counting 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So you should learn the backward counting from 20 to 11. So you know forward counting. So backward counting 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So before 16, which number will come before 16? See the board and tell me which number will come before 16. So 16 is here. So I am not having space here. So I have written here. So 16 before 15. Before 16, 15 will come. So after 16, so after numbers, you know, 16 after 17. So like that, you have to complete this page for class work. And this page, same missing numbers. You have to write it as homework. So you complete these two pages and show to me on Monday. Page number 38 and page number 36 are for homework, and 35 and 37 is classwork. Now, tell me the number name for 1. We have learned the number name for 1, O-N-E, 1. I told you to write this in a rough note. Rough note daily, you write 1 page and show to me. O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. So, spelling for 1, number name for 1 is O-N-E, 1. Next, English 2 note. English 2 note, page number 23. Page 23, you have finished. Already you have finished 23 and 24. Now tell me the 2-letter words. A-N, am. A-N, an. A-S, as. A-T, at. So these are the 2-letter words in this page. So you have to learn this thoroughly. We have already learned this. So this week we have learned these 4 words. So learn it thoroughly. I'll ask you on Monday. Write and practice it in your rough note. Write these words in a rough note and practice it. Now today we are going to revise what we have learned this week in this general knowledge book. So healthy and unhealthy food. So you know about healthy, which food is healthy for us and which food items are unhealthy. So name the healthy foods. Healthy foods, vegetables, rice, fruits. These are all healthy foods. So unhealthy food. Name some unhealthy food. Pizza, chocolates and sweets. These are all unhealthy foods. And see here, unhealthy food. Wafers, burger, noodles. These are all unhealthy. Healthy food. See here, where is the healthy food? Apple, cabbage. These are all healthy food. Now, healthy habits. So now see this picture. You revise, you open this book. Revise all the portions which we have learnt this week. So see the picture and tell me, I eat healthy food. Is it right or wrong? Right. So I eat junk food. No, you shouldn't eat junk food. So put a wrong there. I drink colas. Wrong. I drink healthy juices. Good. Safety. Healthy habit. So correct. I play video games for a long time. It's not healthy. I play games outside. It's healthy. So like that, you should learn the healthy habits. Do you fight with your friends? You should not fight with your friends. It's wrong. Do you brush your teeth every day? Yes, it's right. I go to bed early. Good. I do not have bath every day. So daily morning, you wake up, brush your teeth, you take a bath. After that, you should eat your breakfast. So this is wrong. I throw the things everywhere. This is wrong. You should not throw the things like this. I keep my surroundings clean. You keep your house clean, your school, everything you should keep clean. Now, we learnt about good manners. So what are the words we use when you get something from someone, from your daddy or mommy, anybody, or your friends? What word should you use? Thank you. So when you receive a gift or something, you should say thank you. So may I, when you want to come inside the classroom or when you want to go to a restroom, you should use the word may I. May I come in? May I go to restroom? Then please. So if you want something from somebody, so if you want a pencil or pen, anything, you should ask, please give me your pencil. Please buy me an ice cream. Like that you should ask. Ice cream is unhealthy, so you should not eat it. So you should ask, like, use that word please. So next is I'm sorry. When will you say I'm sorry? So when you do any mistakes, you'll say I'm sorry. So you know all these. Next, table manners. Good table manners. So before and after eating, you should wash your hands. That's a good habit. Then you should not keep your feet, keep your legs on the table. Then you should not play with the spoon, fork, etc. You should sit straight while eating. You should sit straight while eating. You should not roam here and there. While eating, you should not talk. Don't talk while eating. I spill my food on the table. It's wrong. You should not spill the food on the table. I play while eating my food. It's wrong. You should not play. I help my mother to wipe the table clean. This is a good habit. So you see the picture correctly and you should tell which one is a good table manner. So you put a tick mark for the good table manner and put a cross mark for the bad habits. So same, you have to learn good habits at school and home. So learn everything. I'll ask you on Monday. Next, Tamil. Tamil oral. Oral. First page, உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். So starting, page number, sheet 1. Agal. Agaya Vimanam. So see the picture and tell. So you need not learn these words. You see the picture. Picture பார்த்து நீங்க அது என்னன்னு சொல்லணும். So agal, இது என்னது? ஆகாய விமானம். இ ரதம். இ இ ஈசல். உ உரல். ஊ ஊசி. ஏ எலி. ஏ ஏரி. பிக்சர் பார்த்து சொல்லணும். ஐ ஐங்கோணம். ஓ ஒலிபெருக்கி. ஓ ஓநாய். ஔ ஔடதம். இது ஆயுத எழுத்து. இது வரைக்கும் உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். எக்கு. So learn these things for oral. Okay children, complete the homework, then we'll see on Monday. So show your homework to me on Monday. Thank you students.